This is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on SNN.Network, and we're a proud media sponsor for the upcoming Precious Metals Summit Beaver Creek being held virtually this year. Joining me right now is Tara Christie. She is the president and CEO of Banyan Gold. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is BYN on the TSX Venture. Tara, thank you for joining me today. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me.
It's great to have you on. So let's get started first off here with a quick overview and history of Banyan, and then we'll go from there.
Great. So Banyan, we're focused on gold exploration in the Yukon. Yukon's a great jurisdiction, as you know, particularly with two new mines coming into production with both Aurex and Victoria, which our main project is right beside them in the Mayo mining district. I became the CEO in 2016. I've spent all my life in gold exploration. And so this is perfect timing, I think, to be leading Banyan at this time. We started with our Hyland project and then quickly acquired the Aurex project in 2017. And in the last couple of years, we've advanced it. And of course, this in May of this year, we just put out our initial resource, that 903,000 ounces, a road accessible project right beside power lines, highway, those two mines in a jurisdiction where you can permit it. And that's really been transformative for us. We've got lots of attention as people have realized that, you know, this is also a near surface deposit that could potentially be heap leach mineable. And so, you know, it's really an exciting time for Banyan and certainly for everyone in the gold sector.
Yeah, you actually alluded to my next question because we spoke last year at Precious Metals. You know, what would you say are some of the corporate highlights for the company in the last 12 months or so?
Well, of course, that resource, you know, that really, I think, was a new benchmark for us. And then we were able to talk with some credibility about, you know, our geological model and our team. And then, of course, this financing that we just completed, we now have over $6 million in the bank. So we're funded for 2020 and through 2021, which gets us a really unique position. We can actually do a much larger program. We've already got the models and the science, and our programs will be very science driven based on our models. We're drilling now. We plan to drill all the way through the fall. It just means probably November-ish when it gets a little too cold to start drilling. We're set up for winter drilling or, you know, late fall drilling. And it's quite an exciting time for us to be able to put all these plans into place and finally really be able to advance this project. You keep alluding to all my questions. I love it, you know, so because I was going to ask you then, you know, from what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the company's value catalysts now for the rest of this year going into 2021? So we've only put out our first set of exploration results. That was at our airstrip zone. We've drilled our airstrip zone, our power line zone, and then we're going to drill the Aurex Hill zone, which is also, we think, fits our geological model. We're very excited about it. But our first results were right on par with what we expected, 116 meters of 0.75 and some higher grade intervals up to 19.5 grams. So, you know, we're continuing to have our model and our geology as we expect, which is very exciting. We don't have any results from power line yet, but we're going to have strong news flow with results all the way through the fall and into the new year. So those are really exciting catalysts for us.
And where can our audience go and find everything they need to know about Banyan Gold?
On our website, www.banyangold.com.
Tara, thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Good luck, stay safe, and I look forward to our next update.
Thank you.
Thank you. Again, my name is Robert Kraft. I'm your host on SNN.Network. We're a proud media sponsor for the upcoming Precious Metals Summit Beaver Creek being held virtually this year. Tara will be there doing a presentation for Banyan Gold. And thank you for listening today.